Wish me luck, mate.
Come on, good lookers. Xmas go steak. Oh crap. Keep on going in specs. Oh yes. Come on, please win this. Oh wow. Yes. No way. Oh my god. Yes. Nice. I'm lucky we did that now, because you probably would have lost if you went in for the first time.
Yo, mate, I'm not staking again because that's
Not
6
allowed
bill
that.
up. You know what happens.
Yeah.
Do you want full ghost or flame bust defender?
I'll take the flame burst.
Yo, it's flame bust defender B. Does
Yeah,
it matter?
that's the real one.
Oh, I thought I just got proper pure. Oh, I thought it's 55 to strength bonus then. Do you want flame bust defender?
Yeah.
Where are you? Code drain or donate zone 2? Go donate zone 2.
Yes. Because oh, today is NC. Because I've been saving up for a flame burst, but then I bought the Onyx thing high.
That's sick. I knew new tactic. I thought that hits at start. I thought I got pure scammed though, Shane. I thought B.
No, that's the real
No.
one.
I know. I thought I got straight up scammed.
Yeah, that's
I actually
beast.
did.
I'll have everything once I have my. Yo, plus 55. Oh
No. That's exactly what I did a second ago. To have my DDS on, mate. I was thinking, shit. I was thinking, I'll be buying one of those straight up.
Yeah, I was about to say.
That's exactly what I did a couple of seconds before. So happy you fucking won that. Jesus.
I know. That looks beast.
Keep ghost it now, you know? There's no point. Oh,
You're
I'll
gonna
wait
keep
and
it?
sell it when I get a decent deal.
Yeah, that's a good idea actually. Because I just wanted my split ASAP.
Lucky. It was either nothing, Shane, or 6 bill split. It was actually 3 bill or 6 bill. 6 bill.
Exactly.
You say no 6 bill.